Right, so it's time to start getting the birds in condition now, ready for breeding season. Unlucky for me, this one's turned out to be a cock, but it's going back, getting swapped next weekend. Dimorphic cross harlequin, turned out to be a cock, singing its head off yesterday, which has done me head in because that means I'm one bird less really, but I'll get it swapped next week. Got all my purrs ready. They're already purred up as a previous, well, next video I'm putting up, sorry, shows them purred up. Put all my birds now into purrs. Just watching for sounds for the goldies, feeding the hens. They're all in the breeding quarters now. This is where they're going to stay now. Give them a full double breeder. Put nest pans in, left hand side, and obviously when the young ones leave nest, put them over to the right hand side, block them off with a divider. It's all about giving your birds now plenty of room, get fit, ready for the season to start. Let them have a bit of a bond today, a couple of them. Got two goldies what's not feeding any hens yet, so just a bit of a, just throwing them in with hens, swapping, changing a little bit, see if they start feeding them. They've purred up. Little red dimorphic there. I think that's a bit offside, keeps puffing itself up, but see how it goes. Nice goldie there. That's my Latino cock. I'm going to put him over all my hens first. Get a round off all my hens first. Hopefully get some red-eyed female for next season. They're the ones what you want for the variegated mules. There's my little red pole there. Try and get some hybrids off her, hopefully. Some which I've never bred. And that's that. So now it's just all about giving your birds plenty of room. Start giving them a bit of conditioned seed now. Get them fit, and hopefully we'll all have a good season. See you later, guys.